Hey guys, it's Joe with VMP. We're here with Jim's 2017 Mustang GT with a Roush Supercharger kit. The car has a VMP twin-jet 67mm throttle body, a JLT 125mm cold air intake, a set of 52-pound injectors, a set of Dynatech long tubes, and the stock Roush axle back. Let's get it up on the dyno here and make some power. We just got finished up with Jim's car here. The car made 714 horsepower, 599 pound-feet of torque, and picked up about 40 to 50 horsepower and 40 to 50 pound-feet in the mid-range. So the car should feel really good, and I'm sure he'll enjoy it. If you like the power that Jim's car made and you want to do a similar setup with your car, make sure you hit up sales and support. We can get you squared away with everything you need to do what Jim did here. And if you want to see more videos like with what we did with Jim's car here, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.